In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record bank transactions manually in Zoho Books. If you ever need to capture a payment or expense that didn't come through a bank feed, manual entries keep your books accurate. We'll walk through the process from opening Zoho Books to saving the transaction, along with tips to avoid common mistakes. Start by going to books.zoho.com in your browser. Sign in to your organization as you normally would, so you land on your Zoho Books dashboard. From here, look for the banking section in the left menu and click Banking. This is where all of your connected accounts and cash registers live. Next, choose the specific bank account you want to work with and click it to open the account view. Selecting the right account is important because the transaction will post to this ledger and affect its balance. Inside the account, find the option labeled Add Transaction and click it. This opens a clean form for a single manual entry. At the top of the form, choose whether this is money out or money in. Use money out for expenses, bill payments, bank charges, transfers leaving the account, or refunds you issued. Use money in for income, customer payments, deposits, loan proceeds, or transfers coming into the account. Picking the correct direction ensures your cash balance moves the right way. Now enter the transaction manually. Fill in the date exactly as it appears on your bank statement to make reconciliation smooth later. Add a clear description such as the vendor or customer name and what the payment was for. Choose the appropriate category or account, like an expense account for costs or an income account for receipts. If the form offers fields for contact, reference number, tax, or currency, complete them as needed. Enter the amount carefully, double check the sign based on money in versus money out, and if available, add a note for future context. If you maintain supporting documents, this is a good place to attach the receipt or invoice so everything stays linked. When everything looks correct, click Save. Zoho Books will add the entry to the selected bank account's transaction list and update the account balance accordingly. If you later connect to bank feed, keep an eye out for duplicates. You can match or exclude items during reconciliation to prevent double counting. That's it. You've recorded a bank transaction manually in Zoho Books accurately and with confidence.